greatest integer function. So, like, just we'll go for this greatest integer function only. Today, I'm going to solve few of the questions of greatest integer. So be careful. These are very important questions, and hopefully you all will be able to solve this. So fraction part x is equal to, directly coming to the question, greatest integer x plus greatest integer of x plus half upon 20. Okay. So find how many values of x will be there. Find x. Good question. So careful. You have already seen this type of question, so I'll expect everyone has to solve this. Little bit calculation is required, but not much. अब simple है, like किया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, होने लायक क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा सा good. शिक्षा. So मैं स्टार्ट किया. डन शिक्षा. अच्छा. Just a hint. If already you have started with that, so that's great. Otherwise, just a hint. Okay, so we have to go for two values, not bad. So we have to go for two values. One, when f the fraction part is lying between 0 to half, and second is when fraction part is lying between half to 1. In that case, this number will change itself. So that's the reason we have to go for two values. So let's suppose I'm going for the first one. Just I'm putting I plus f, and in this case, the fraction part f is lying between 0 to ½ So this f is equal to I plus f plus I plus I plus f, this value, upon 20. Okay, so 20f is equal to 3I plus f, or this 19 fraction part is equal to 3f. From this, I can say this f is nothing but 3I by 19. And this fraction part, we have taken that. This is 3I by 19 lies between 0 to ½ And this I is lying between obviously 0 to 19 by 6. 6 3s ja 18 means the value of I would be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Four values. In these four values, correspondingly, I'll get the values of fraction part we have already seen in last lecture. So this f is for 0. F would be the correspond like respectively what the values is coming. 3 by 19, 6 by 19, and 3 zero 9 by 19, the corresponding. So the value of x is I plus f. So correspondingly, I can get the values. Okay, second, when I'm going for this f is lying between half to 1, open 1. In that case, one thing will change in this. So fraction part f is equal to, this is 3I plus 1 plus f upon 20. This one is because the fraction part is like exceeding by half, so half plus half will be 1. So 20f to 19f is equal to 3I plus 1. And from this, I can say this f is again 3I plus 1 by 19. And this value, 3I plus 1 by 19, lies between half to 1. 19 by 2 minus 1, 3I, 19 minus 1. Okay. So this I is 17 by 6 to 18 by 3. That's 6 only. So the value of I can 6, 3 just, so maybe 3, 4, and 5. Three values again. You have to put three values again. So from 3 here and from 1 to 3, 4 here, right? 7 different values you are getting from this. Is this okay? Now, sorry, wrong sentence. This is not okay. I like, are you able to solve this or not? This is the same question what we have done, but in a different style. Okay, everyone. Ayush, Prantik, Sutiksha, done. Same answer. Okay, let's see. Very good, Rishikesh. Very good. Perfect. Simil, okay.
हाँ सर.
Nasa, Anushka, Mrityunjay, Shaurya, Aksar, okay. Okay, everyone. Ransu, okay. So this is one question, like how we have to go and how you have to proceed for this. And the most important thing now, this was the question of 2019 pre-RM. Very basic, very simple question, just the solving part. Just the solving part. I hope everyone is okay with this. So I'm going for the second one on this. In the greatest integer and fraction part again. Uh, so this okay now? You have done now? Noted everyone? Okay. Second, it's x square minus 7 greatest integer x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solve for x. X के लिए आपको solve करना है. You have to solve this for x. Just have patience, go slow. It's simple question, but solving is required. We have already done this type of question. May I? Just we have to bound this x. So we can say where this value will, exactly where the value will go.
सर आई की वैल्यू
What beta? I की value have you written there?
आई की वैल्यू
I की value point?
I की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आ रही है।
ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल होगा बेटा? आई इज इंटीजर यू आर सेइंग ना?
हाँ सर।
You are contradicting your statement only. Sir, I have taken I, but I is fraction. So let's start. May I start? Move. Very good. Good one. Few values. Okay. Okay. Aksar, very good. Very good, beta. Go ahead, but few more values will come. Take your time. Take your time. Very good. Simil.
सर कर रहा हूँ सर.
Okay. Rishikesh. Shaurya. Pransu. Arha. Anushka. Very good, Aksar. Very good. Both the values Rishikesh. Okay, okay. Good, 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 good. Pratiksha done. Very good, Anushka. Good going. Started very good answer. All the answers. So, can we say ki, like we have to solve this for greatest integer and number is x square minus 7 greatest integer plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to make sure if what should be the values of x can lie there. Na? Anushka, very good, beta. So, this x I can assume as I plus f. But this I plus f, if I'll take this as I plus f, so this is I plus f the whole square minus 7i plus 5 is equal to 0. This has to be integer, right? So this is coming as f square plus 2fi plus I square minus 7i plus 5. Are not very conducive, but you can go for f is equal to minus 2i plus minus under root of b square, that is 4i square, minus 4 is c, that's I square minus 7i plus 5 upon 2. And this value must lies between 0 to 1. So f is minus I plus minus. 4 is coming out, then 2 will be cancelling out from this again. So under root of what value? I square cancel out, 7i minus 5. 7i minus 5 means I is greater than at 5 by 7. Okay, to 1, 2, 3, 4, all the values coming out. Okay. As well as minus I plus minus under root of 7i minus 5 lies between 0 to 1. Now you are able to bound this. For first one, I'm taking the positive one only. So, and for second one, 1 plus I. Okay. Squaring both sides. So, like I square minus 7i plus 5 less than equal to 0. And I square minus pi by plus 6 less than equal to 0. Okay.
सर
So,
थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करो.
yes, beta. Yeah. So this is one of the method, right? Now we are able to bound this I. You can see that how many values will satisfy. So I could be all the values we can say is satisfying 1, 2, Right, correspondingly, you'll get the values.
सर आप एक बार वापस समझा सकते हो क्या?
कहाँ पर बेटा, कौन से स्टेप पे दिक्कत गई? हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में जो
F
किया था, जस्ट हमने वही यूज किया. व्हाट आई
F
एम
इज
डूइंग,
इक्वल टू -2 वो कैसे बनता है?
ये क्वाड्रेटिक का फॉर्मूला लगाया बेटा, -b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac/2a.
ओके सर.
तो वहां से x की वैल्यूज को हम लोग लेते गए. Correspondingly, x is equal to 0 पर not satisfied, x is equal to 1. Yes. Two, three, four. And now you can see what are the values you have to put. So, and 5, maximum is 5. So 1 is the value, root 30. Everyone is getting this value, right? Root 23. Again, this is the value everyone is getting. Then root 2. And one more value is coming in this. What is that?
सर
So this is
वैल्यू क्या होगी?
I की वैल्यूज यहाँ पर देखो ना, यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं क्या क्या है. ये वाले से I क्या क्या आ रहा है मेरे पास? I -2, I -3 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. एक तो ये जा रहे होंगे मेरे पास, राइट. एंड यहाँ से I मेरे पास, मतलब क्वाड्रेटिक आई हैव टू डू. सो -b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac/2. So you are getting some values here also. Okay. So I की वैल्यू मेरे पास I0i मतलब x इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर x इज इक्वल टू 0 के लिए काम कर रहा है. I is equal to 1. Here we will not get the value. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 3. Maximum it can go I is equal to 5. This is one of the method, right? This is one of the method, but you can also think, note it down, then I'll go for the second one. Almost the same method I'll use in that also. Every time you can.
क्यों निकली हमारी एंड में, जबकि
हाँ
हमारे पास तो आई की 4 वैल्यूज है ना सर, 1 2
हाँ
3 तो
हाँ
सर
हाँ
3 वैल्यूज क्यों निकली?
3 values.
सर 3 आंसर ही क्यों निकले? मतलब आई इज इक्वल्स टू 5 पे भी तो कोई आंसर होगा ना सर?
वो 0 पर वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा था ना, जैसे हमने देखा. तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 आ रहा है, तो नो वैल्यूज ऑफ x विल सेटिस्फाई फॉर दैट ना. x इज लाइंग बिटवीन 0 to 1, इंटीग्रल वैल्यू इज नॉट टेकिंग देयर. सो मेरे को तो ये वाली इक्वेशन को भी तो सेटिस्फाई करना है ना. इफ आई पुट दिस ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर x इज इक्वल टू 0, so I'm getting x square plus 5 is equal to 0. This is not satisfying, right? See, so the question was 7 x square minus 7 greatest integer x plus 5 is equal to 0. See, so take chart. Maybe you'll like this and you'll be able to solve in the easiest way. If I'm saying ki x square minus 7, so x square plus 5 by 7 is equal to greatest integer x. And we know that any of greatest integer value will always lies between, it will be bounded between two values, x minus 1 to x. Can I say this? Okay. Means this greatest integer means this value, x square plus 5 by 7 will lie between x minus 1 to x. Now I'm able to solve this as 7 is a positive number. So I can cross multiply 7x minus 7 and this is 7x. So again, the same result is coming and then I have to solve and we can bound this x also. From this also you can like proceed for the question. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Amog?
Yes, sir. So you are using the upper bound, lower bound method here.
Yes, yes.
So I did it the same way, and I think square root 37 should also be the
Yes.
answer for x.
5 for 5, na?
Yes, sir.
That I was asking. Okay, what is the one more value is coming for I is equal to 5, that will satisfy. But moreover, just you have to bound the function.
सर
Right.
मैंने
So,
वही क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि सर वो 5 पे क्यों नहीं आपने वैल्यू निकाली थी?
अच्छा, मैंने सोचा आपने बोला 0 पर क्यों नहीं आई वैल्यू, इसलिए मैंने 0 का समझाया. ओके, सी. ओके एवरीवन, क्लियर कंसेप्ट? ओके, डन. Now, the next one, the third one is, this is very, 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 very good question. You can generalize this also. Greatest integer x by 5 is equal to greatest integer x by 7. Okay. Greatest integer x by 5 is equal to greatest integer of x by 7. This is given. And then just for what values of x, we have to think how many non-negative integral values of x satisfy this. Non-negative integral value. Non-negative integral value like 1. 1 is satisfying both this. 2 is satisfying. Right. So how many integral value will satisfy both the equation? Complete equation. The generalization of this is also there, right? X by n is equal to x by n plus 1 or n plus 2 or n square plus 1. Good, good, good. A little bit more, Rishikesh. Almost there. You are almost there. Check 1, 2 more options. Let's see. Simil, very good. Positive values, Simil, positive values. Non-negative, in fact, non-negative. Non-negative integers only. Non-negative means I use 0 is also included. ये गलती नहीं बेटा.
Okay, sir.
Natunjay, you can't write the number in this form, beta. Simil, not in this form. You have to write down the integers. Maybe you are getting more than that. Only non-negative. अनुष्का.
सर अगर हम ऐसे लिखेंगे तो इसमें सारे डेसिमल ऐड हो जाएंगे इसलिए.
हाँ बेटा, इसलिए. Yes, yes. More answer will come. Shaurya, all the integral values, beta. Integral values. Not in that form.
Okay, sir.
सर मैंने आंसर
Not
दिए
in the union wala form.
नहीं बेटा, only numbers. ये these are the numbers that is
Union
satisfied.
वगैरह नहीं ऐड करना है ना, फिर
No,
like only integers.
only integers, only integers. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Sutiksha. मृत्युंजय, almost there बेटा. थोड़ा सा और चेक कर लो. So, ये क्वेश्चन डुएबल क्वेश्चन होते हैं, स्कोरिंग क्वेश्चन होते हैं, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जितने भी मैं क्वेश्चन करा रहा हूँ सब प्री आरएमओ या आरएमओ के पूछे हुए क्वेश्चन ही हैं. राइट, तो ये केवल मैं एक सिंपल सा आपको कॉन्फिडेंस भी देना चाह रहा हूँ और दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. दीज आर वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. ऑलमोस्ट सभी के आंसर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि इंटीजर एग्जाम होते हैं, इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज आपको लिखने होते हैं, दैट्स ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमारे जो आंसर आ रहे हैं वो परफेक्ट गिरने चाहिए. अगर थोड़े से भी ऊपर नीचे रहे तो हमारे लिए वो दिक्कत कर जाते हैं. हाँ, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा इनको वर्क करने के लिए ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो may I? This is simple one. I don't know. Oh, I guess you all are doing like this only. This value, I'm supposing this is integer I. Nice, very good, beta. Perfect, perfect. So we know that this x by 5, not integer. So x by 5 minus 1 to x by 5 is first is this one. And second is this I is nothing but x by 7 minus 1 to x by 7. This is the second. Okay. So now we have to see where this value of x will lie, right? What is the value of x? So from both this, if I'll solve, so from first one, x is greater than equal to 5y. And from this, x is less than 5y plus 5. 1 prime. And second one again, x is greater than equal to 7i, and x is less than 7i plus 7. All the positive values. So positive values, so I'm able to write down key like where this value of this number will lie. If both the values are. So from this I can say ki 5i plus 5 and 7i plus. So we have to bound this between two numbers to x is greater than and x is less than. So I can bound this as the maximum to minimum. So always that will satisfy. Are you getting this? In these two, right, maximum, in these two, the minimum. So minimum to maximum, just I want to just satisfy the values. Okay. So now this is x. So this x must be in the form of I. So where this I will go for that. So if I'll put I is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0. I guess everyone is getting this one. For I is equal to 1, this is x is 7 to 10. Second one, I is equal to 2. This is 14 to 15. And then now this is like reversing this. So that will not satisfy. Or usually you can do by the points and all. So from first one, I can say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values 5. For second one, 7, 8, 9, right? 3 values. And third, this one value, 5, 3, 8, 1, 9. Very, very, very good, everyone. Perfect. But this is the question. This is the question when we are observing this, ki like all the values, what are the values? Do you have found all the values? What if, see this carefully, everyone. Now, then I'll change the question. Mrityunjay, okay? Very good. Shaurya, very good. Stiksha, Mog, very, not non-negative, beta, non-negative. Aksa, very good. Very good. What if I change a little bit this as x by 99 is in the greatest integer is equal to x by 101 greatest integer. Maybe you can go with your numbers, right? When this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the numbers, or maybe you can see the pattern of that, or just you can go directly numbers of that. So this time I'll go with the numbers. I'll try to go with the numbers. When this will be 0, then when this will be 1 and 2 and so on. So I'll get the uh, pattern of that. Okay, how many numbers are satisfying?
Sir, you mean in trial?
Not hint and trial. I can say this will be 0 when this will be 0. So between 0 non-negative numbers we have to write. So 0 to 98 will satisfy. When this will be 1. Okay. So upper bound or lower bound that I have to do. So let's see. I'm able to do that upper bound and lower bound or not. But this is good one. This is now little bit one step ahead, but not a tougher one. Relax, very, very, very relaxed. Yes. Yes. Thought process is very good risk case, but just we have to reach to the answer. Huh? That's very important. Very good thought process. Perfectly, you can go for that.
सर टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज लिखनी है या सारे नंबर्स लिखने हैं?
Total number of values.
ओके सर.
Right.
Sir,
Means you have to find all the x, na? Yes, Prante. Just a minute.
and
Just a minute. Wow, very good. Just a little bit correction, but very good. Almost there. You are finding for x is what? Non-negative integer or positive integers? जीरो आपने काउंट किया है कि नहीं प्रांतिक?
nahi sir,
Zero x is equal to 0 is counted in this or not?
no sir.
नहीं, एक बार चेक कर लो फिर.
सर मेरा आंसर चेक करो.
Yes, Samil. So are you counting 0 in this?
हाँ सर मैंने किया.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
सर आपने नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज पूछी ना?
Hmm.
ओके सर.
So 0 is counted in this, ना बेटा?
सर आंसर भेज दिया।
Very good, beta. Diksha. Not bad. Very good. Perfect. I'm expecting more, right? Or should I start now? So first, when I'm showing, I'm calculating this value is 0, when this will be 0. So this will be 0 when I'm saying ki x is equal to 0, 1, 2, up to 98. Right, so for first value, then this will be 0. Right? And you can see the pattern. This is 1. So in greatest integer, not necessarily you have to go with the mathematical terms always. If you are able to count this in the numbers, because one, this will be possible when the this value is greater than 101 or greater than or equal to 101, but it can't reach to the lower one, means 99 into 2, means 197. 101, 102. Okay, now if this will be 2, right, this will be 2, again we have to do the same thing. Again we have to do the same thing. The value will be 2 when I'm starting with 202 and bounding with 99 into 3. Okay, 99 into 3 minus 1. Okay, just the value, just lower than that value. So what value you are getting? It has not to reach 3. So what is the value of x on this case? When this will be 3, so this is 3 into 99. Okay, 297,
296.
296. When this value will be 3. So again, I have to start with this. What is that? 303. And I have to reach to this when this value will be 4. 4 means 99 into 4. So 99 into 4, what is the value? What is the value? Can we see what are the numbers we are getting? For this, I'm getting 99. But
Sir.
after that,
Sir,
Mhm.
can you re-explain? I couldn't understand. Sorry.
Is it a large value? Is there? Oh, not that one. See, this is 99. What numbers you are getting in this? The second form. You are starting with 1 going to 197. How many numbers you are getting in this? The second one.
Sir, 198. Sorry, 99, 99, 99, 90,
Check again, check again. Only 90.
96.
98.
क्या हो रहा है ये? See, check again.
96.
96. Why 96? 101 to 197.
97.
97, obviously.
Sorry,
And what is this in this one?
96.
96 or 95?
94, actually.
95.
95.
Five.
Then.
93. 93.
So now
Okay.
after this, we are getting, like in all this, you are getting the pattern. What is the pattern? 99 minus 2 and
AP.
yes. And started from 0. And obviously maximum where I can go. When this will be 49, na? Right. 49 to that will be 98. So I guess this is how many terms are there? So 50 terms are there. So odd number 50 terms are there. To 50 square is 2500 answer. That's it. 1 plus 3 plus 5, sum of odd number will be the number of terms, square of the number of terms. So that's directly we can write that. Okay, everyone. So you'll not
Yes.
believe this, and थोड़ा अजीब सा भी लग जाए आप लोगों को. This was the question from RMO. ये RMO का पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है जो आप लोगों ने सॉल्व किया. एंड एक अच्छे क्वेश्चन में माना जाता है इसे, राइट. एंड मैं बिना बताए हुए आप लोगों को चुपचाप से इनमो का क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कराऊंगा. थ्योरी इज दैट मच ओनली. बट एक्सपोजर इज लाइक हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन। पर कभी कभी क्वेश्चन को ना इतना इतना टफ और इतना अलग कर दिया जाता है, वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल। एंड उसके रीजन होते हैं। रीजन क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो क्वेश्चन जो है कोई एक पैटर्न के थ्रू होता है, एंड इफ यू नो द पैटर्न दैट विल वर्क। बट उस पैटर्न तक पहुंचने के लिए और वो क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए हम लोग को थोड़े से एफर्ट की जरूरत हो जाती है। बट आई डोंट नो हाउ यू विल मैनेज दिस। बट मैं एक
सर
क्वेश्चन
कौन से ईयर का क्वेश्चन था जो
अरे
क्वेश्चन?
इंजॉय करो बेटा, कहाँ ईयर का करना है, तो आरएमओ का ही। कंसिडर द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द नंबर दिस। हाँ, बहुत पुराना भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पुराने क्वेश्चन मेरे पास है ही नहीं, पुराने क्वेश्चन गए सब, ये सब नए क्वेश्चन ही है। n प्लस अंडर रूट 2n प्लस
सर
1
आपने
बाई
एक
टू
बार 1996 का क्वेश्चन दिया था।
फॉर n greater than equal to 1. Okay, this is the greatest integer, obviously. This is not containing all the integers. This is not containing all the integers. जैसे मैंने 1 रखा,
सर
1 रखने
n इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 के पहले आपने क्या बनाया, मतलब
फॉर
क्या लिखा है?
ऑल, वो ऐसे करके लिखते हैं
ओह
ना बेटा, उसका
सॉरी।
मतलब होता है फॉर ऑल। फॉर ऑल n greater than equal to 1. Okay, so like I'll put n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1 पर I'm getting 1 plus root 2 plus half. Okay, what is that? 1.4142, 2.4142, 2.9 something. 2.9 is 2. If I'll put 2, so this is 2 plus under root of 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus something, that is 4. Wow, wow, wow. I'm missing 3. Now the number will be greater than this. Okay, so I'm missing this first number is this 3. So same thing, like we are missing some of the number. Let the numbers are, the missing numbers are n1, n2, n3, and so on up to nk. Okay, or let n12. You have to find what is the value of n12. What is the 12th number we are like losing in this? If you are writing, so first number is coming as 2, you are losing first number, that is 3. So n1 is 3. So now we have to go for what is the n2. So what is the number we are missing? Though that is called n2. Then what is the third number we are missing? That is called the n3. And up to that we have to go to n12. So what is the 12th number in this? Question is clear, Mrityunjay, Shaurya, Amog?
हाँ सर।
Question clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. Go ahead, go ahead. Ara, very good. Go ahead for this one, beta.
सर मतलब 3 के लिए सेटिस्फाई नहीं करा तो वो पहला नंबर हो गया।
हम्म
ओके सर, इसको मतलब किसी जनरलाइज्ड मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, और या हम लोग निकालें?
जनरलाइजेशन इज देयर, बट वो शायद हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा अधिक हम लोगों को काम करवाएगा। बट जनरलाइजेशन इज देयर, राइट? वो
वरना निकालें।
निकालना पड़ेगा।
ठीक।
सर सॉरी सर, मैं वापस पूछ रहा हूँ, पर हमें निकालना क्या है?
जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा। सी
सर एक मिनट और सर, ऑलमोस्ट
हाँ
तैयार
बेटा,
है बस
सी
आंसर
निकालना
चाहिए।
क्या है ना कि जस्ट you are putting n is equal to 1, so you are getting the greatest integer value will be 2. Now you are putting n is equal to 2, you are getting greatest integer will be 4. So number 3 is not there, right? So we are missing the number 3. हाँ, वहां पर नंबर 3 नहीं है। वैसे ही व्हेन यू पुट n is equal to 3, so maybe it is coming 5. अगर 5 आ रहा है so it's okay. फिर आगे की वैल्यूज पुट किया, मान लो 6 नहीं आ रहा, तो द सेकंड वैल्यू विल बी 6, एंड देन वी कैन गो फॉर कि ओके ये वैल्यूज है आई एम मिसिंग। सो व्हाट इज द 12th नंबर? व्हाट इज द 12th नंबर इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर दैट विल बी देयर एज
ओके
वी
सर।
आर? ओ आ रहा, गोइंग गुड बेटा, बट थोड़ा सा जल्दी हो गया है। चेक अगेन, चेक अगेन। 91, आई डोंट नो बट
सर आंसर भेज दिया।
लगता 91। आई डोंट थिंक 91 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये प्रॉपर्टी पे है एंड आई गेस वो प्रॉपर्टी पे 91 हो सकता है, मे बी। देखता हूँ, लेट्स सी। अगर आगे पीछे नंबर नहीं हुआ हो तो मे बी। बट हैव पेशेंस ना, बहुत सारे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस इसके होते हैं, जस्ट वी आर एबल टू डू। कुछ आरएमओ के अभी क्वेश्चन मैं कराऊंगा जो प्रीवियस ईयर के हैं, जो हम लोगों को हेल्प करेंगे कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चन को पिक करने में। ओके
सर 2 minutes।
ओके। Sutiksha, you have to start with 1 because we are losing the number 1 also ना बेटा। मैंने एक नंबर 1 भी पहले लूज कर दिया है,
सर
बाद में
आपने
3 किया।
बोला नहीं था।
अभी
मैंने
बोल दिया
लिख भी
बेटा,
दिया। सर
अभी
एक
बोल,
मिनट रुको।
इसीलिए बोल दिया, नहीं तो फिर गलत हो जाएगा आंसर
सर
के
एक
फॉर्म में
मिनट
क्यों।
बस आंसर डाल रही हूँ। सर आंसर डाल दिया।
वेरी गुड। ओके, हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड। चलो लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी। आद्या प्लीज गो अहेड। व्हाई यू आर सेइंग सो, व्हाट इज योर नंबर एंड हाउ यू हैव सॉल्व दिस? प्लीज गो अहेड। क्या किया बेटा, बताएं। ओके, अमोघ, ओह अमोघ, वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट। सुटिक्षा, वेरी गुड। अमोघ, वेरी गुड। अनुष्का, लिटिल बिट देयर बेटा, पर थोड़ा सा कुछ गड़बड़ है। मे आई?
सर 1 more minute।
1 more minute. So what is the number you are getting in this? Amok?
सर मैंने तो सीक्वेंस लगा दिया,
Okay.
लाइक पहले कुछ करे थे तो पहले फर्स्ट आया, फिर 3 आया, फिर 6
Then
आया, तो फिर
then
ट्रायंगल।
the triangular number is there.
यस सर।
But you can go for this as a subjective question. Let this be the question of RMO. Just you have to prove this. ना, एक बार ट्राई जरूर करना कि why this is coming as a triangular number. हाँ, बहुत ही प्यारा एक सीक्वेंस मिलने के चांस होंगे, बट सब्जेक्टिव के लिए दिस विल बी वेरी 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 गुड क्वेश्चन। हाँ, वो बहुत मजा आएगा सॉल्व करने में इसे। हाँ, so Sutiksha, understand now what I'm saying? You have to solve this again for subjective one, because see, by counting I can say this is 1, this is 3, then we will miss 6. So 1, 3, 6. If and the next number will be
Sir, 10.
very good. So these numbers are saying, ki, okay, we are losing the number 1, 3, 6, 10. You must remember this number. Why? Because first number is 1, second is so difference are in AP. One thing I can say, that the difference are in AP. Or you must know this number is called the triangular number. The triangular number, as this will be sum as n plus 1 by 2. I'll just explain this why this number is called triangular number and what is the properties and all. But this is n plus 1 by 2. And what number till what number I have to reach? 1 is 1, 2 is 3. So 12 we have to use. 78, I guess. Okay, yes, Mrityunjay?
सर हम 10 को लूज कर रहे हैं क्या? क्योंकि मेरा किसी में तो मेरा 7 में आंसर 10 आया। 7
7
प्लस
में
14
अब
प्लस हाफ।
रख लेते हैं बेटा। 7 plus root 14 plus half. What is the value of root 14 approximately भी चलेगा?
3.7.
3 point something।
So 3.7. So 3.7. So 7 plus 3.7 plus half. Plus half. What is this value? 10, 11 point something. 11 point something, greatest integer will be 11. Something? No? Somewhere in between 11 to 12.
तो
Okay.
सर 10 कैसे लूज किए हम? ओ
10
हाँ,
no.
सॉरी सर।
Confused हो गया?
हाँ
ठीक है. Okay.
हाँ
So again, I'll send some question on this with number theory, right? And this mixture of both this. So like that will be the homework. Then we'll meet again.